everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anthony, and this is an absolute mess. I'm just kidding. This is FPV Builds. I'm doing a quick update video. It's been forever since I put a video out, and I just wanted to give everybody an update on kind of like what's been going on and stuff like that. So, reason why we haven't come out with any videos is because we have been super busy working on the store, and we've reached some good success with the store. We've got a lot of great feedback from customers, and we started the store originally just with Dynam and a couple of FR Sky radios, and that has grown tremendously to different lines, products, rockets, cars. So that's where a lot of our focus has been. We're trying to get back to doing a lot of filming and footage and stuff like that, but it's not that easy, and I don't want to just come out with boring unboxing content and stuff like that. So the videos that I do come out with, I want them to be entertaining and interesting. Not to say that there isn't going to be some of that stuff, showing off some of the products and planes and stuff like that, some unboxing videos, which we have like 30 of those pre-filmed. I don't know if I'm going to put them all out, but we're going to start working on getting through some of those. So there might be some boring videos before we get into the cool, interesting projects and stuff. And I have a lot of great, interesting and fun projects in mind. On top of the store, we are also in collaboration and partnership with Built Fast Kyle, or Pit Kyle, on Cults 3D. He designs 3D printed airplanes. He designed that 3D printed Batwing that was on YouTube. He designs a lot of really cool stuff. We collaborated with him to design our own 3D printed airplane. We're also going to be working with him to print some of his models. So we're offering fully 3D printed airplane kits that are going to either come in two versions. You could just buy the printed materials, put your own electronics in it, or you could buy a full plug and play kit. It's going to come with all the electronics, all the 3D printed parts, and you can put it together. And we've been testing, as you can see here, we've been testing all different types of materials. We've tested materials from different brands and everything like that. We're almost basically done with all the testing phases. We've selected the material that we're going to be using. I believe we decided to go with the Polymaker lightweight PLA. So that is in the pipeline as well. Cars, I mean, you can tell this isn't all of our inventory, first of all, okay? So we're not running this whole operation out of our basement studio. No, we have a warehouse that's filled with inventory and stuff like that. This is just where we kind of put some of the smaller parts and smaller inventory and stuff like that as we're going through it. And as you can see, we have cars everywhere. There's cars here, there's cars over there, there's cars under all of these tables. So check out the cars, because cars is something that we are going to really get into. Cars is how I really started in the hobby when I was a young kid, and I loved cars. I still have a Blackfoot from when I was younger too. We are also playing with coming out with our own car kits. It's something that we're playing with, you know, coming out with our own carbon fiber car kits. There will be parts from like Tamiya TT01s that you can bolt onto these kits. It's something we're playing with that's down the line. Our goal is to eventually come out with our own products. So we have the 3D printed part airplane that's coming out. Cav-In, for the last 6 months or so, has come out with a couple of new models, which are really cool. The Norden is right here. This is an awesome plane. Huge, really, really cool stall flying plane. And then we have the Cav-In Skyfox, which is back there. You can't really see it. We're going to be doing a video on that. And then they also came out with the Cav-In Twisty. So there's a lot going on, and that's why we haven't really come out with any videos. Want to just give everybody a quick update. We will be back to making content soon. Also, we have a bunch of guests lined up for the RC Air Experience podcast. So we have that going on as well. So thank you for staying subscribed. Stay tuned. And if you haven't checked out the website, FPV Builds RC, that is the store part of this whole operation, please go check it out. There's a lot of great, cool stuff on there. And check out the reviews too. I think we're trying to do the right thing by the customers. So that shows in the reviews. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll talk to you soon.